What if Jesus was alive today? If he didn't have to leave after the third year, the third day, he must have grown old as all men do, gained experiences, traveled far, and discovered many things new. He must have met more lives, performed more miracles, taught more, and saved more people from their evil drives. What if we stretch 3 years to 25? Can we imagine how Jesus would have changed our lives? But we have Father Gideon today.